Hey there, and welcome back to ArbiSource. Today, we're going to show you how you can run a reverse search using your SellerToolkit reports. This feature is an incredible time saver and is available exclusively for mutual subscribers of ArbiSource and STK. Let's get started. Firstly, if you haven't yet linked your STK account, you'll need to go to your SellerToolkit dashboard. From here, click on Account, and then select Settings. Now we need to locate the ArbiSource link token. Click on it, and then click on the copy icon to grab your unique token. Once we have our token, head over to ArbiSource and then go to your account page. Here, you'll find a box labeled STK token. Paste your copied token into this box and click Save Settings. ArbiSource will validate the token and notify you if it is incorrect. Now with our STK account successfully linked, we can go to the Scans page and click on Reverse Search. You'll now see the Use SellerToolkit Reports section in the bottom right. Select one of the reports, in stock, out of stock, or deleted listings. Then set your Amazon cache and filters as you normally would. ArbiSource will then request this report from STK, gather all the ASINs, and start a reverse search. This process should only take a few minutes. Once completed, you can view all the results by clicking the View Results button. This integration with STK means that, with just a few clicks, you can quickly check if your old listings are profitable again, or find potentially profitable sources to restock your existing leads. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it useful. If you aren't yet a member of ArbiSource, be sure to click the link in the description and start your 7-day free trial today.